What's up, sneaker fam? In this video I'm going to be showing you all how to reduce clogs in your airbrush gun and jars. I'll be showing you how to use your airbrush as a tool to remove extreme clogs, along with other tools I use as well. But before we get into this tutorial, here's a disclaimer and some safety tips. Footprints is not responsible for any of the methods or supplies used recklessly in this video. Please follow along at your own discretion. If you are under the age of 18, please do not attempt any of these methods or tactics without supervision or an adult's consent. I'm going to show you something here. The solution we're using is not extremely flammable, but just remember that it is flammable and you are using an open flame, so keep a fire extinguisher nearby or something to put out a fire. You don't want to be in a cluttered area, and just be careful here. You can see it's hard to put a blaze, but it does go out quick, but it will light a fire. So just be careful. If you do catch an open flame like we got here, get yourself, we got some cornstarch or some kind of powder. Do not blow and do not hit it with liquid, okay? You want to get powder and put the flame out. So keep some of this nearby if you don't have a fire extinguisher. So let's begin this tutorial. First, we'll begin by removing the needle cap and the air nozzle. Next, I'll draw the needle back on my airbrush gun to make room for my airbrush cleaning bottle so that I can clean out the barrel. After, I'll put the pipe cleaner through the barrel and soak it with cleaning fluid to clear out any debris. This will also make it easier for me to pull the pipe cleaner through the barrel smoothly. I'll also clean out the air outlet on the barrel itself, which is located on the right side of this airbrush. Next, I'll use the needle on the airbrush itself to push out any debris through the air nozzle. After, I'll use a small bottle filled with cleaning solution with a metal tip to apply pressure throughout the air nozzle to force out any excess debris. I'll double check with the needle to make sure that I removed all and any debris. When pushing the needle back and forth through the air nozzle, it should feel smooth and there shouldn't be any friction. I'll also use a brush and cleaning solution to clean out the air outlets on the air nozzle as well. Before spraying, I make sure that I clean out my needle cap with my cleaning solution bottle as well. After I'm satisfied with the cleaning and I feel everything is smooth, then I'll go for a test spray. Turn that back. Unscrew the bottom of the bottle a little bit so we don't restrict the paint flow. We test for spray. And you can see we got total big spray there. Okay. And as always, once I'm finished with my airbrush, I'll submerge it in cleaning solution and plug my jar. Next, we'll move on to cleaning the jars. First, I'll remove any debris in the outlet of the jar. Next, I'll push a needle through the tube of the paint jar to remove any debris. After, I'll use my airbrush cleaning bottle to spray solution through the tube and check for flow. The paint outlet on the head of the jar is removable. To remove paint from inside the head of the jar's paint outlet, I'm going to heat up a needle and pass it through. I'm going to allow the needle to cool inside the barrel for about 10 to 15 seconds, and once we press, the paint should stick to the needle on the way out. There shouldn't be much resistance afterwards. If there is, that means the clog is deep within the well of the barrel. To get the paint out, we're going to be using a mini torch, and we're going to heat the barrel up. After, we're going to run cleaning solution through the barrel while it's hot using the metal tip cleaning bottle. And again, we'll check for debris with our needle. You can still heat your needle up and press it inside the barrel to remove any debris as well. When done correctly, you should be able to run a pipe cleaner through the barrel without any resistance. After you're done, just reapply the barrel to the cap, reattach the tube, and check for flow. If you have flow, you should be able to spray your airbrush without any problems. It's unclogged. You can see it is. You can see that. Okay. And as always, remember to keep your airbrush submerged in solution to avoid clogs, and keep your jars plugged as well. So if you're really into airbrushing, please go check out my ebook available on my site. The links will be in the description or in the comments. And again, thank you for watching. And please go check out my latest video about how to repaint and regloss patent leather. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in re-glues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.